This video demonstrates the setup guide for ExiProgen EC bulk protein synthesis kit. Protein expression is the first step. Take out box 2 from the freezer. Thaw cartridge 1, 2 at the room temperature. Thaw equal extract, master mix, and DPCDW on ice. Prepare the materials and the tools on the screen for the bulk expression. Punch all the holes in the sealing films of expression cartridge 1 and 2 using the 6-hole punch. Flip the 6-hole punch left to right to punch all the sealing films of the cartridges. Before use, completely remove the water in the bulk SECF device. Install the bulk SECF device on the bulk reactor. Make the reaction mixture. Refer to the table. Mix the reaction mixture gently. Do not vortex. Fill the reaction mixture into the device. The bulk expression kit is ready to be installed on ExiProgen. Open the door of ExiProgen. Completely pull the base plate out. Install cartridge 2 on the cartridge 2 position. Install cartridge 1 on the cartridge 1 position. Install the waste tray between cartridge 1 and 2. Note the following during the installation. Install the bulk reactor on the magnetic part of the base plate. Place 8 tips of disposal filter tip into the B row of disposal tip rack. ExiProgen can now be used. Completely push the base plate until you hear a click sound. Close the door. Turn on the instrument. Tap the green power button on the center of the screen. In the menu screen, press the start button. Input the protocol number 906. Check whether the following appears on the screen. Tap the enter button. Tap the OK button. Choose 30 degrees Celsius. Tap the OK button. Follow the checklist shown on the screen. After double-checking, tap the OK button. Check whether the following appears on the screen. Tap the Run button to start. After the operation, this screen will appear. Open the door. Take a bulk SECF device containing the expressed protein sample. Next is the protein purification step. Prepare the materials and the tools shown on the screen. Note that purification cartridge 1 and 2 are in box 1. Punch all the holes using the 6-hole punch in the sealing films of expression cartridge 1 and 2. Load the expressed protein samples in all the sample loading wells of purification cartridge 1. Pipette 1 ml of sample per well. Place the new bulk SECF device in the bulk reactor. Fill 20 ml of sterile distilled water in the device. The bulk purification kit is ready to be installed on ExiProgen. Place the components for protein purification on the base plate. Refer to the screen. Input the protocol number 907. Check whether the following appears on the screen. Tap the Enter button. The 907 protocol includes nickel NTA affinity purification and dialysis to storage buffer process. If you want ExiProgen to use the two protocols separately, input 908 and 909. Tap the OK button twice. Follow the checklist shown on the screen. After double-checking, tap the OK button. Check whether the screen shows prep type, protein, sample SRC, bulk purification. Tap the Run button to start. After the operation, this screen will appear. Open the door. Take out the kit. Collect the final product, the purified proteins, dissolved in the storage buffer. Those are in the bulk SECF device, submerged in the storage buffer. Note the following. Easily synthesize pure proteins with ExiProgen.